Hi, my dear YouTube friends. How are you guys doing today? Today, guys, I have to show you two perfumes that I have. More, it will be like unboxing of this stunning Lebanese perfume. But I want to show you this one too. It's actually my scent of the day. Yes, from yesterday and today as well. So this one is Javad Al Gold. It's for those people who are watching me and likes Middle Eastern perfumes. Javad Al Gold. And guys, the more I wear it, the more I really like this perfume. It's really nice, guys. You should actually try it. The only thing is that bottle kind of becomes a little bit like broken within time and starts to peel off. But the smell itself is really good, guys. I really like it. I really enjoy it, guys, today. Let's open this perfume. Stunning Lebanese. Stunning Lebanese. Doorways of light tell story of love. The notes, guys, I just checked it. The notes of this perfume was bergamot, and then it was red berries, and then myrrh as well. So if I would be able to open, yes, I would. So then we could proceed with video, guys. Let's see this perfume. Stunning Lebanese. Nice type of blue color of the packaging. Really nice, guys. Everything is super duper nice. There is this postcard. What's that about? I never been in Venice, guys, but maybe you visited before. I don't know. Some kind of bridge is famous about that bridge with the water, type of there. Stunning Venice. Here it is, guys. So the sun already shines through this perfume very nicely. So this is gonna be perfume that I will be wearing, soon. And actually, I will spray today. I will let you know how does it smell like. I didn't check any reviews, guys, so I don't know what other people think. But I like this kind of to hold this type of bottle like this, and the type of blue color. Would that mean that blue color maybe because of that particular water that is floating over there, beneath that bridge? Anyway, stunningly Venice. I smelled it before on some kind of tester, so I did smell it before. It seemed to be some kind of... Was it similar to that fashionably London? But not exactly. So let's see, guys. This stunningly Venice perfume. Let's see. I'm gonna spray it, guys. I'm gonna spray it. Ooh, so pretty. Ooh, guys, that's pretty refreshing. Those type of... Let me spray a little bit more, just kind of really to get into it. So stunningly Venice perfume. So I'm smelling it, guys. This type of, red berries, what comes first. Wow, red berries. Refreshing, It doesn't seem like there would be like a lot of notes in this particular perfume. So those red berries is what shines through. Like, let's say if you don't know, bergamot is something that would be kind of refreshing thing, but not sure what I feel the most. I just feel the most like probably red berries. Not exactly sure what myrrh is supposed to smell like, but those red berries is, kind of very nice type of refreshing, easygoing, light, not complicated, kind of, that like some of the other perfume smells kind of, there is this type of lightness that is similar to this one. So there is this type of lightness, guys, I must say to you. That is, there are other perfumes that would be similar to that. There is this boldly soul, boldly soul. That would be the perfume that would be actually also has some kind of similarity, but that one doesn't have red berries, and this one has red berries. That one is yellow, and this one yellow type of flowers, and this one is red berry, so it's completely different, but not too much, not overpowering. Nothing is more towards like light side. Not sure if this perfume will stay long. Could be as usual, like medium type of longevity, like nothing, too much, nothing too much. But maybe it will not be the perfume that would be anything too much exciting. But if you end up buying it, maybe let's say you like that, town, that city, Venice, maybe you like, and you have some kind of memories there, and you just really want to buy this perfume, so you can give it a go, but not wouldn't be something that I would repurchase. Actually, now I'm a bit worried that actually it smells a bit maybe too light, but time will tell. Because, for example, I really like that Boldly Soul. Not like really, but Boldly Soul is kind of is good enough, for daily life. So this one will be another perfume that could be versatile for daily life. Just not sure if it would be good enough to be the perfume that I will want to spray it often, because there might be some excitement missing, What you can feel is like those type of like a light, easygoing red berries, but the excitement, like where's the excitement type of factor? Like, for example, still those type of easygoing red berry, like for example this one, there is, guys, excitement. This one, Middle Eastern perfume, there is that excitement because like sometimes like you spray and there is this excitement factor in this one, something unusual. But this one, there is nothing too much unusual. It's just simply pleasing, easygoing type of fresh perfume with a little bit pinch of red berries that wouldn't be overpowering, but kind of fresh enough. That would, guys, describe this perfume. But the factor of that type of as if it would be impressive perfume, is missing, simply missing. That would describe the bestest perfume. That's it, guys. I will come back to you another time, and I wish you to have a fantastic, beautiful day. Bye bye, guys. See you soon.